The 10th vulnerability in OWASP and the last vulnerability is insufficient logging and monitoring. So let's see. Insufficient logging, detection, monitoring, and active response leads to this type of attack. Auditable events such as logins, failed logins, and high value transactions are not logged. Logs are stored locally. The application is unable to detect, escalate, or alert for active attacks that are happening in real time. So basically, if any application is getting attacked and it is producing logs and which are not seen or overseen by the admins, may lead to insufficient logging and monitoring vulnerability. So why this happens? You are vulnerable to information leakage if you make logging and alerting events visible to a user or attacker. So if an attacker is able to see your logs or you are exposing your logs to other people, then attacker may understand whatever is happening into the backend. Sometimes logs contains very sensitive information about the server, the IP addresses, etc. Log everything. Access control failures, server side input validation failures, damn everything. You should log each and everything that is happening onto your server. So there are specialized teams like SOC, Security Operations Center, which logs everything for any intrusion that is happening onto their infrastructure. What can be achieved by this vulnerability? So there is an example in which a major US retailer reportedly had an internal malware analysis sandbox analyzing attachments. The sandbox software has detected potentially unwanted software that was running, but no one responded to this detection. The sandbox have been producing warnings for some time before the actual attack and the breach was detected due to a fraudulent card transaction by external bank. So people neglected the logs that were coming from that specific software, which later on led to a attack. So how do we fix these types of issues? Ensure effective logging and monitoring is there. Teams like SOC or security incident event management softwares are properly installed, which will do real-time logging. Usage of good monitoring and alerting protection is important. And the last thing is log, log, log. Log everything that is happening and read, analyze, and alert the SOC team and take actions on everything that you see. Thank you. Thank you.